Hello students and friends. Today's topic VLOOKUP function in MS Excel. Today's topic is very important to you. So see the video at the end. If you new on my channel, press subscribe and bell icon for getting more new videos. This is the employee donation table which I made previously. On this table, I will show you how to use VLOOKUP function. In the VLOOKUP, V stands for vertical and lookup means search. VLOOKUP function always search the value on the basis of first column, and VLOOKUP function always search the value vertically on the basis of first column. So I set in this table first column as unique value like employee code. With the help of this code, this unique code, we can search any employees uniquely. So now I will show you VLOOKUP functions use. With the help of VLOOKUP function, I want to search the phone number of a employee. So just click on any cell where I want to display the result and then write equal sign before written the VLOOKUP function, then write VLOOKUP, then give first bracket, then need lookup value. Lookup value always comes from the first column, so just give the value. I use EMP16, then give comma, then need table array. Table array means just give the whole table. So how to give the whole table? Just click on the first cell, then drag it at the end, then give comma, then need column index number. Column index number means I want to display phone number of the employee code EMP16. So just give the index number of the phone number. So phone number index number is 1 2 3 4 5. So 5, just give 5 here, then give comma, then give either 1 or 0. 1 means true, approximate match, and 0 means false for exact match. So I want to match exactly, so for that reason I give 0, then close the bracket and press enter key. After pressing enter key, your result will come on that cell. Just cross check of the value of EMP16. EMP16, this is the EMP16, and the phone number of EMP16 is 70633693114. So both are same. Okay, now I will show you how to use this VLOOKUP function on the another sheet. So just go to the sheet 2. Here I already copied all employee codes, and on the basis of these employee codes I will search all employee names. So just click on that cell, then write equal sign, again write VLOOKUP, then bracket close, then give lookup value. So instead of giving any particular value, I will give the address of the employee code. Just click on that cell, then give comma, then need table array. Table array will come from sheet 1, so go to the sheet 1 and select whole table like this. Then give comma, then need column index number. So employee name column index number is 1 2, so give 2, then comma, then again exactly match, give 0, then bracket close, enter. So name will come, then drag it at the end of the column. Next I want to search phone number. Same process, equal VLOOKUP, bracket start, then give lookup value, just give the address, then comma, then give table array. So go to the sheet 1, then again select whole table, then again comma, then need column index number. Phone number column index number is 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, so give 5 here, then comma, for exact match give 0, then bracket close, then again enter. So phone number also will come, then drag it at the end of the column. So this is the process to use VLOOKUP. So with the help of this VLOOKUP, you can search any value from your table easily. So thank you.